Stat number 1 that local owners still ignore. 91% of local businesses with complete Google Business Profile data appear in AI search results. Incomplete profiles mostly do not. That single gap is deciding who ChatGPT, Perplexity, Google AI overviews, and Claude-style assistants can confidently name when a buyer asks who to call. If your Google Business Profile is half-filled, you are not just weaker in the map pack, you are invisible to the AI layer that now shortlists plumbers, dentists, HVAC techs, lawyers, restaurants and home services before the customer ever clicks 10 blue links. I am going to unpack what complete actually means, why AI engines treat a finished Google Business Profile as entity-proof, how incomplete profiles fail across ChatGPT, Perplexity, Google AI overviews, and Claude research habits, and the exact completion playbook that turns a dead listing into AI visible demand capture. First, what 91% really measures. Complete does not mean you claimed the listing 5 years ago and left the default category. Complete means primary and secondary categories are precise. Every service you sell is listed in plain language. Hours are accurate, including special hours. Service areas or address visibility matches how you actually operate. Phone and website resolve. Description explains who you help and where. Photos show real work and real people. Products or menu items exist when relevant, attributes are filled, and the profile is regularly updated with posts and review replies. Businesses that hit that standard show up in AI answers far more often than businesses with a logo, 2 photos, and a vague one-line bio. The 91% figure is not a participation trophy. It is a completeness threshold. Cross it and AI systems have enough structured local evidence to include you. Miss it and the model prefers a competitor with cleaner entity data, even if your offline reputation is stronger. Second, why AI search cares so much about Google Business Profile completeness. Signal number 1 is entity resolution. ChatGPT browsing layers, Perplexity citations, Google AI overviews, and Claude-assisted research all need to know you are a real business with a stable identity. A complete Google Business Profile is one of the strongest local entity anchors on the open web. Name, address, phone, category, and services that match your website reduce ambiguity. Signal number 2 is extractable facts. AI answers are built from quotable specifics. Hours, services, neighborhoods, payment methods, accessibility attributes, and recent posts give models sentences they can trust. Empty fields give them nothing, so they skip you. Signal number 3 is freshness and engagement. Profiles that post, add photos, and reply to reviews look alive. Dead profiles look abandoned. Abandoned entities get lower confidence in recommendation systems that already punish weak evidence. Signal number 4 is cross-engine consistency. When your Google Business Profile, website NAP, citations, and review language all say the same thing, you become safer to recommend. Incomplete GBP often correlates with messy NAP elsewhere, which multiplies the damage across Google AI overviews and third-party assistants. Signal number 5 is commercial intent fit. Buyers do not ask abstract questions only. They ask open now emergency plumber. Best family dentist near me, same-day AC repair north side. Complete profiles map cleanly onto those intents, incomplete ones cannot. Third, what incomplete profiles look like in the wild, and why owners think they are fine. Mistake number 1 is claiming the listing and stopping. The dashboard shows verified, so owners assume they are done. Verification is the starting line, not the finish. Mistake number 2 is wrong or lazy categories. Primary category drives which queries you even compete for. Secondary categories expand adjacency. One wrong category can hide you from money searches while filling junk inventory. Mistake number 3 is empty services. If you do water heater replacement, drain cleaning, and camera inspections but list only plumbing, AI and maps both underspecify you. Reviewers may mention the real work, but structured services make extraction faster and cleaner. Mistake number 4 is stale hours and holiday blackouts. Nothing destroys trust faster than an AI or map result that sends a customer to a closed door. Models learn from bounce and complaint patterns over time. Mistake number 5 is stock photos and zero proof. AI systems and humans both discount generic storefront images. Real job photos, team photos, and before-after work create confidence and give review context something visual to attach to. Mistake number 6 is ignoring Q&A, products, and attributes. These fields are free structured data. Leaving them blank is voluntary silence in the exact format machines prefer. Fourth, the completion playbook that moves you into the 91%. Step number 1. Run a field-by-field audit this week. Open your Google Business Profile and score every section. Categories, services, description, hours, service area, phone, website, booking links, attributes, photos, products, posts, and review response rate. Anything blank or outdated is a defect, not a nice to have. Step number 2. Rewrite categories and services for how buyers search. Use the language customers type, not internal jargon. Match service names to landing pages on your site, so Google Business Profile, your website, and AI extractors tell one story. Step number 3. Rewrite the business description for humans and machines. Lead with who you serve, what you do, and where. Include 2 or 3 commercial phrases naturally. Skip keyword stuffing. Clarity beats cleverness when ChatGPT, Perplexity, Google AI overviews, and Claude need a clean summary. Step number 4. Load proof media on a schedule. 10 to 20 real photos minimum, then add new work weekly. Geotagged is optional. Authentic and recent is mandatory. Cover exterior, interior, team, equipment, and finished jobs. Step number 5. Turn reviews into AI fuel. Reply to every review with specific service and area language when accurate. After jobs, ask happy customers to mention the service and neighborhood honestly. Those phrases become the quotes AI systems reuse. Step number 6. Post weekly like a living business. Offers, job stories, hiring, seasonal tips, and behind-the-scenes updates signal activity. Quiet profiles decay in both local pack behavior and AI confidence. Step number 7. Align the rest of the entity graph. Your website footer, NAP, schema, citations, Apple Business Connect where relevant, and social bios must match the completed Google Business Profile. Completeness on Google alone helps. Completeness everywhere compounds across AI engines. Step number 8. Remeasure AI visibility, not just map rank. Search your category plus city in Google and note AI overview mentions. Ask ChatGPT, Perplexity, and Claude-style tools who they recommend and why. If competitors with weaker offline brands beat you, your structured completeness is still losing. Do not confuse a claimed listing with a complete listing. The 91% club is not mystical. It is operators who filled the form fully, kept it fresh, and made their Google Business Profile machine readable enough for modern AI search. If your profile is still half empty, you are training ChatGPT, Perplexity, Google AI overviews, and every assistant downstream to recommend someone else. If you want Ninja to scan how complete your local entity looks across Google Business Profile signals, AI answer surfaces, and the citations underneath them, go to tryninja.ai. Setup takes 2 minutes. The first scan is free. You will see which missing fields, weak services, stale hours, or review gaps are keeping you out of AI results. Stop leaving free structured data blank. Complete the profile. Join the 91%. Get named when buyers ask AI who to hire.